Hey guys, check out this Ninja Air Fryer just got in. Guilt-free fried food, it says. 75% less fat, super fast airflow, easy to clean. 3 customizable programs. You can air fry. You can reheat. You can dehydrate. 2 fan speeds. Let's see what else they say. Main unit. 3 programmable functions. 2-layer non-stick crisper plate. 2-layer basket. Your typical air fryer stuff from Ninja. Well-known name in kitchen appliances. All right, let's open her up. Stand by. All right, get the old wood off and let's unbox her. See what we got. Try not to cut your fingers off. All right, first thing out of the box, looks like we got the manual and the warranty information. Pretty SOP for kitchen appliances. Warning label, do not place appliance on a hot surface, it'll melt. Ninja Air Fryer Quick Start Guide and your owner's guide. Well packaged styrofoam and the main unit. That's about it for the box. Well, it's bigger than I thought it would be. It's pretty beefy. Got the stickers on the side. Your safety tray hold-in for shipping. Yeah, 4-quart capacity. There's your double-sided crisper plate. Your 4-quart tray. Everything up there, that's your fan intake, I'm guessing. And then your control panel. Very nice so far. Get up close. Get your sticker on the side, tells you what's going down. Gives you some basic times, etc. All right, let's move over here and plug it in and see what we got. Correction, let's move it over here and plug it in and see what we got. I was on the wrong plug side. All right, your power button lights up. Start, pause, reheat, dehydrate, air fry. There's your settings. Here's your timers, temperature. It's pretty straightforward. So there you go. That's what you get in the box. Okay, let's check out the quick start guide for the Ninja Air Fryer. Using your air fryer functions. Pulling crispy meals out of thin air. Let's see, air fry. Preheat recommendations. They say here on the next page, Air Fryer 101. Preheat, preheat, preheat. It's like location, location, location. You want to have your crisper plate in and then shake or toss your food. So you don't want to just leave it in there, I guess. So there's that. Shake, shake, shake. Freestyling recipes. Air fryer, use fresh ingredients, don't overcrowd. Secure your food. Yeah, I guess pretty powerful fan, so you want to have your food in there where it won't move around. I don't think that'd be a problem with chicken wings and whatnot. Oil spritzer, they recommend there. Dehydration tips and tricks. Then an air fryer cooking chart. So it looks pretty encompassing. Dehydration chart. Another continued air frying cooking chart. Let's see. Asparagus, beets, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, chicken breast, chicken thighs, chicken wings, fish, crab cakes, lobster tails. Ingredients: burgers and steaks, bacon, frozen cutlets, chicken nuggets, mozzarella sticks. A lot of good ideas. And of course, you can always get online and find more recipes for air frying. Gives you specific French fry recipes, jalapeno poppers, beef jerky. So yeah, that looks pretty handy right there. And then your user manual. I think this is probably going to have your quick start guide for getting to know your air fryer. There you go. I'm going to pause and take a look at that. See if I can get it in there a little closer. Before your first use, remove and discard any packaging material. Done. And then it gives you the whole step-by-step guide. So yeah, the Ninja Air Fryer 4-quart model. We'll give it a try out and see what we got. Well, we're back in with the Ninja Air Fryer. We got a little chicken bites that we're working on. The wife's gonna set it up and see what we got here. Setting the time and the temperature. Load the basket. Don't crowd it. Got the little parchment paper in the bottom to make easy cleanup. Get them in there with some space. Clean bowl. Load it up. And hit the start button. Ready to go. There's the after. Already did a little load there. All right, guys, thanks for watching.